SMC traders looking at this right now will be like, oh, where's the other block? Where's the and one of the conferences I said it's always good to watch out for is that the zone is a psychological level. This is liquidity right here. Someone will see you say this is an equal high, okay? And if you check the structure, it's a very good structure. We have good structures on US30 right now. Alright fellas, welcome to Pips Dojo. It's so lovely to have you once again. So we'll be having a quick one right this instant, and that is a pre-market analysis, for the new week. We have to determine our bias and check whether we have a trade idea on any of our watch list that we can look out for the upcoming week to take high probable trades. All right, so I have something very clear on gold. All right, so it met my criterias, right? But there's still one thing left out. But all in all, it's still a good setup to me. And regardless of the outcome, it is something that is worth the entry for me as a trader. Okay, so I'll be sharing this with us. If you want to go with my idea on gold, right? It's always wise, it's always wisdom to go with risk management anytime you're taking trades. Okay, so I have a short outlook on XAUUSD. Okay, and what do I see on this market? Okay, if you've been following me for the few weeks, you see that my trade ideas are, you'd have been seeing something recurrent on my charts. Okay, and as we have here, we have liquidity. All right, we have liquidity. Some might say it's a break of structure. Well, if this trade idea were to miss it, it's going to be a break of structure. But if I'm to be right, which hopefully I have, it's going to be a liquidity grab. Okay, so this is a liquidity grab, right? A liquidity has been taken right here. These eyes, remember when I was talking about the things you want to see when using your MSNL key levels, liquidity is one very important thing I said. Okay, and this line right here, it's my key level. Remember, key level is not just a straight line, it's a level, it's a zone, right? It's a zone. And one of the conferences I said it's always good to watch out for is that the zone is a psychological level, right? You can go on your XAUSD chart, check it out. A psychological level of congestion, level of rejections. Okay, you can check this level out and see whether it's a psychological level. Okay, so come Monday market open, I'm looking to short gold right from here, right? SMC traders looking at this right now will be like, oh, where's the other block? Where's the all right, so I'm a signal trader. I deal with levels, I deal with liquidities and breaks and all of that. So yeah, I know my entry point, I know why I'm taking this entry right here. Okay, if you want to eventually grow into that, if you want to learn to take this kind of trades, keep on following me, tell your friends about this channel. So this is my outlook on gold. Yeah, we're looking to short gold right here. So if this fails, we'll look to short it at a much higher level, or to continue the buying trend depending on the market reaction. All right, so I think that's about that. I think I have something on US30. Let's see US30. Let's see. Okay, this is US30. Something very sweet, though I'm yet to get an entry point. This is liquidity right here. Someone will see you say this is an equal high. Okay, and if you check the structure, it's a very good structure. We have good structures on US30 right now. So I'm looking out for a sell right on Monday. I'm looking out for a sell probably somewhere within this region. Okay, you can watch out for it as well and catch it with anything you can catch it with. Okay, this level could be a good level. You see this level right here, it could be a good level. And yeah, I wish you the best in the market this coming week. I'll see you guys when I see you.